Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show you how to remove a Fiat 500 wing mirror. First, gather your tools, including a flathead screwdriver and a plastic trim removal tool. Next, ensure your car is completely off and the ignition key is out for safety. Finally, place some masking tape around the mirror's base on the door to protect your paintwork from any accidental scratches during the process. Now, move inside the car. Locate the small triangular trim panel on the inside of the door, directly opposite the wing mirror. Using your plastic trim removal tool, carefully pry this panel away from the door. It's held by clips, so gentle but firm pressure works best. Once loose, disconnect any electrical connectors that might be attached to the trim piece. With the interior trim removed, you'll see 3 bolts holding the mirror assembly to the door frame. Use a suitable wrench or socket to carefully unscrew these 3 bolts. Once the bolts are removed, gently pull the entire mirror assembly away from the door. Before completely removing it, disconnect the main electrical connector that powers the mirror's functions. To reassemble, simply reverse the steps. Ensure the mounting area is clean before installing your new or repaired mirror. Connect all electrical plugs securely, then fasten the 3 mounting bolts. Finally, clip the interior trim panel back into place. Remember to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, perfect for reading anywhere, as well as other great deals we've found for you.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.